Before you renovate your home for sale, ask yourself, will buyers pay more for this improvement, or is it just something I like? This simple question can save you thousands of dollars. At DCI Homes, we help you navigate these choices. Today, we will explore renovations that can help sell a home in Northern Virginia, the improvements buyers appreciate, and the projects that can backfire or reduce your return on investment. Many sellers mistakenly believe that every dollar spent on renovations adds a dollar to the home's value. In reality, real estate values depend on what buyers are willing to pay compared to similar homes recently sold. Northern Virginia has diverse markets. A renovation strategy that works in Arlington may not be effective in Ashburn. Price range, neighborhood expectations, home age, and competing inventory all influence whether a renovation makes sense. Surprisingly, the highest return projects are often not the biggest. Many impactful improvements cost relatively little compared to major remodels. Buyers form opinions quickly. They notice cleanliness, smells, and lighting. Fresh paint is a prime example. It is inexpensive yet transforms how a home feels. Neutral colors brighten rooms and make spaces feel larger, allowing buyers to envision their own style in every room. Bright or personalized colors can distract buyers, making them think of the work needed after closing. We want to remove any friction that might prevent an offer from coming through. Flooring also plays a crucial role. Worn or mismatched flooring can negatively impact buyers' perceptions. Simple solutions like professional carpet cleaning or refinishing hardwood can make a significant difference. Consistency in flooring creates a more updated and expansive feel. When rooms flow seamlessly into one another without jarring transitions, the home naturally feels larger and better maintained. Lighting is another affordable improvement. Outdated fixtures and dim rooms can make a home feel dated. Modern designs and bright, consistent lighting create a welcoming atmosphere throughout the house. Do not forget to maximize natural light by opening blinds and cleaning windows. A bright home is a happy home, and in the Northern Virginia market, light is one of the most sought-after features. Small hardware updates like cabinet handles, doorknobs, and light switch covers can collectively enhance the home's appearance. These are the small touches that signal the home has been cared for. Outside curb appeal is vital. Buyers evaluate your home before they even step through the front door. Simple landscaping, fresh mulch, and clean walkways can make a remarkable difference in that first impression. Maintenance matters just as much as aesthetics. Small defects like dripping faucets or loose railings can influence buyer confidence. Buyers notice multiple minor issues during a showing, which leads to doubt. Addressing these concerns before listing can prevent costly negotiations later. It shows the buyer that you have kept up with the property, giving them peace of mind to move forward with a strong offer. Cleanliness is often one of the highest return investments. A deep clean of every area buyers might inspect can make your home feel newer. A spotless home photographs better and creates a positive impression. Decluttering is essential. Showcase space, not how much your home can hold. An organized home helps buyers envision their lives there. Sometimes removing just a portion of the furniture can make rooms feel larger. Now, let's discuss larger renovations like kitchens and bathrooms. While these areas can influence buying decisions, overinvesting may not yield a return. Strategic updates often beat full remodels. For kitchens, painting cabinets, replacing hardware, and updating light fixtures can create a fresh look. You do not always need to tear everything out to get that high-end feel buyers are looking for. In bathrooms, clean tile, bright lighting, and modern fixtures can significantly improve appeal without a complete overhaul. Focus on the surfaces that buyers interact with most to get the best impact. Finished basements add value, but consider whether buyers in your neighborhood expect them. If most homes are unfinished, buyers may prefer to finish the space themselves to match their own specific needs. Avoid over-improving for your neighborhood. Extensive renovations can make your home more expensive than comparable properties, leading buyers to look elsewhere for better value within the same area. Unpermitted work can complicate sales. Buyers want transparency regarding renovations. Organizing permits and maintenance documentation can help build buyer confidence and ensure a smoother closing process. Energy efficiency is becoming a top priority for Northern Virginia buyers. Upgrading to a smart thermostat or ensuring your insulation is up to par can be a subtle but powerful selling point in today's market. In Arlington, we see a high demand for home office spaces. Converting a small bedroom or a nook into a functional workspace can be the difference between a quick sale and a home that sits on the market. Fairfax County buyers often prioritize open floor plans. While we do not suggest major structural changes, removing a non-load-bearing half wall can create the flow that modern families in this area crave. Out in Loudoun County, the focus is often on outdoor living. A well-maintained deck or a clean patio area acts as an extension of the home, giving buyers more usable space to enjoy the beautiful scenery. The shift toward remote work has made the Zoom room a legitimate real estate term. Even a small corner with a professional backdrop and good lighting can add unexpected value to a listing. Smart home technology like video doorbells and keyless entry systems are relatively inexpensive to install, but give the home a modern, secure feel that resonates with younger professionals moving into the area. Do not underestimate the power of clean windows. It sounds simple, but removing years of dirt allows the natural light to pour in and highlights the views that make your property unique. Professional staging can often yield a higher return than actual construction. It defines the purpose of each room and helps buyers understand the scale of the furniture that fits in the space. The garage is an often overlooked space. Simply sweeping the floor and clearing out old boxes can make it feel like a valuable asset rather than a storage unit for junk. Focus on the utility of the space. Ensuring your gutters are clean and your roof is in good repair prevents red flags during the home inspection. Taking care of these maintenance items up front shows you are a responsible homeowner. Have your HVAC system serviced and keep the records handy. A functional and efficient heating and cooling system is a major relief for buyers who are already stretching their budget to purchase a home. Replacing an old kitchen faucet with a modern high-arc model is a 20-minute job that instantly updates the look of the sink area. It is one of those small, tactile things buyers notice immediately. Adding a simple fire pit area in the backyard can create an emotional connection. It helps buyers visualize themselves entertaining friends and family on a cool Virginia evening. Focus on the lifestyle. If your basement has any history of moisture, address it permanently before listing. A dehumidifier is a temporary fix, but a proper drainage system is a permanent value add that buyers will appreciate. Matching the finishes in your bathroom, like the towel bar, toilet paper holder, and faucet, creates a polished look. Mixing chrome with gold can feel unintentional and dated to a discerning buyer. If you have a unique layout, consider having a professional floor plan created. It helps buyers who are looking online understand how the rooms connect before they even schedule a showing. Focus on the flow. The best renovation decisions consider the specific property, local market, and realistic return on investment. A thoughtful strategy often outperforms an expensive one. Evaluate your competition before making major decisions. With the right approach, you can position your home to compete effectively in today's market. At DCI Homes, we are here to help you make every dollar count. Thank you for watching.